Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update ngayong September 16 to 30, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan, let's see. Energy update for Aries, September 16 to 30, 2024. Chaos and conflict. So, some of you, you are changing. May nagbabago sa inyo. Number 33 is a master number. It's a master number of creation. So, maaring you are creating a new you. No? It's like a brand new you. Nag-emerge yung pagiging totoong ikaw. There is also a transformation, transition. Mas nagiging totoo ka na sa iyong sarili. Although, yung iba, maaring nahihirapang tanggapin yung pagbabago na yan na nangyayari sa buhay mo. But for you, this is liberating. So, kumbaga, na mararamdaman mo na parang kang nakalaya sa isang limitation. You also have fork in the road. So, major decisions coming to you ngayong September 16 to 30. May mga pagkakataon na sa pagdedesisyon natin, marami tayong hinihinging mga advice sa iba or meron ding mga unsolicited advice. Ang kailangan lang dito is ikaw mismo yung magdedesisyon yan. Oo, na mahirap na gagawin mo ang isang desisyon dahil lang sa sinabi ng iba. Kahit sino pa yan. Kasi ikaw pa rin ang nakakaalam ng gusto mo, ng sa anong path yung tatahakin mo. Minsan mahirap magpumili kapag maraming choices. But ang importante rito is ipagdasal mo kung na mapili mo yung best para sa'yo. That you'll have that best possible decision. And I think sapat naman yung iyong knowledge. Kasi the owl, it symbolizes your wisdom, your knowledge, para sa maayos na decision making. Ooh, look at that, Aries. Time to go. So some of you, maaring you are leaving a situation, leaving a career, a job, a relationship that you feel na hindi ka na doon nag-grow. So part of the change yan, ito rin yung decision making mo. Yung ba sa inyo aalis sa isang lugar? Like, hindi naman kailangang iiwanan mo yung mahal mo sa buhay. It's like you are leaving a place, aalis sa isang lugar para mag-relocate. Pwede rin yun, no? But I feel like this is a major decision na gagawin mo. Mahirap siya sa una, no? Kasi parang this is a big change for you. But definitely, I see a lot of power in you dahil malakas yung loob mo na pumili at gawin na yung matagal mo nang gustong gawin. Your overall energy, oh my God, oh. Judgment is transformation. This is awareness, awakening to what your heart really wants. Ayan, may butterfly dito. Butterfly symbolizes transformation, metamorphosis, change, okay? Parang sinusundan mo kung saan ka dalhin ng saliw ng ng musika. Oo. So I feel like you're also going to be more creative or going to a direction na mas alam mong mas magiging masaya ka. And itong judgment card is realizing what you want, what you need, and also what you don't want and what you don't need. Okay. Let's see your possible challenge. The Empress. Okay, doon sa may mga buntis dyan. Kasi buntis yung rito, yung image. Medyo mag-ingat, okay? Or pwedeng magkaroon ng challenging na pregnancy sa iyo or sa family member mo or asawa mo. Just take what resonates. So you have to be careful. I also see here, lalo na sa mga medyo malapit ng mga anak, na mas maganda talaga na lumabas, maglakad-lakad with nature, grounding, 'di ba? Kasi this will also help you na maging maayos yung flow ng blood sa katawan mo. Some of you naman, pwede kasing meron kang mga gustong gawin sa sarili mo na parang pinipigilan mo or pinagdadamutan mo yung sarili mo. Let's say, for example, you want to uh, make some changes in your physical appearance. Gusto mo iksi ng buhok or style ng hair mo or mag-undergo ng mga enhancement. So, parang napipigilan ka for some reasons. But of course, kung talagang gusto mo yan, edi i-push mo kung wala naman talagang magiging balakid. And also, ito rin to productivity mo. So, pwedeng, medyo maging less productive ka ngayong second half ng September, lalo na kung marami kang mga ibang inaasikaso or you are going through something or you're going through some change. Yung mahirap kasing maging productive pag nagkakaroon ka ng transition or transformation sa buhay mo. Marirealize mo na lang na marami na palang nagbago or nangyari or nagawa ka kapag tapos na yung transformation. Your opportunities that Two of Swords. So, yung iba sa inyo, opportunity nyo is makapag-decide what's best for you, what's best for your career, what's best for your relationship, for your business. Talagang meron ditong major decision making, Aries. Oo. But I feel like yung iba sa inyo, marirealize nyo kung hanggang saan lang talaga yung threshold ninyo para masabi nyo na, okay, it's time to go. Okay, it's time to leave this place. Ganon. Mm-mm. Your blessing. Oh, di ba? Oh my God. The blessing is the transformation itself. You will realize na yung pagbabago na mangyayari sa buhay mo ay makakabuti para sa'yo. It will open new doors for you, new opportunities. The Death card is about endings and new beginnings, kaya nga siya may transformation. Para siyang yung proseso ng pagiging butterfly, di ba? So, magiging, di ba yung mga, caterpillar muna sila. Tapos, yung ending nun is natatapos ang pagiging caterpillar nila once na maging cocoon na lang sila at yun yung transformation yun dun yung proseso ng pagbabago. And then when the time is right, dun na siya nagiging butterfly. Lumalabas na sa cocoon. So yun yung pinaka-tema ng second half ng September nyo is about going through a major change, a major transformation, endings, new beginnings. Okay? So, tingnan natin, money, career, finances for Aries. May celebration kayo sa inyong kaperahan. Wow! Ang ganda. Meron ditong financial stability, financial independence. Maaring meron kayong na-achieve or ma-achieve sa trabaho, sa business or career na isa-celebrate nyo with your friends. Sa love life naman, yung iba sa inyo, you might be entering a new relationship. Ito yung parang pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo na, no, hindi ako pasok sa relationship na yan. Pero you will, para maglalakas loob ka na sa sarili mo na ikaw yung in control ng buhay mo. So, ikaw yung magde-decide, 'di ba? What is best for you. So, feelings tied down, 'di ba? Frustrated. So, I think ito yung i-release mo, yung frustration mo. Pleasure with a close friend. So, you will also, pagdating sa career, trabaho, business, or sa finances mo, you will do some activities with your friends na to celebrate an achievement. Meron kang na-achieve sa buhay. O you are highly thought of. Merong tao na lagi kang naiisip. Lagi kang naaalala. This can be anybody na pwedeng kaibigan mo, family, friend, na kapag madalas mo siyang maalala, maisip, sumagi sa isip mo, at may nakikita ka mga synchronicities, nakikita mo yung name niya, yung favorite number niya, alam mo, anything related sa person na yon. It means na naiisip ka niya and maybe it's time na mag-reach out ka sa kanya. Okay? Divine service, how can you service yourself or how can you serve yourself better? Yes. So this is taking care of yourself. May mga times na iniisip natin ibang tao, pero pag lagi na lang sila, paano ka naman? So take care of yourself too. So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.